Welcome to our class. What is your name? My name is Liam. Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
Hi, I'm Emma. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Is this your first day here?
Yes, I'm a little nervous.
Don't worry. Everyone is friendly.
That makes me feel much better.
Please introduce yourself to the class. Hello, everyone. My name is Liam.
What are your hobbies?
I enjoy reading books and playing soccer.
My name is Liam.
Would you like to sit next to me?
Yes, thank you.
Please open your English books.
Okay.
Can anyone answer this question?
I'll try.
Excellent answer, Liam.
Thank you, teacher. You're very good at English.
Thank you, but I'm still learning every day.
Would you like to play soccer after school?
Sure, that sounds like fun.
Don't forget your water bottle.
Thanks for reminding me.
What did you learn today?
I learned many new English words.
Which English word is your favorite?
My favorite word is confidence.
Practice English every day.
I will. Practice makes progress.
See you tomorrow, Liam. See you tomorrow.
Did you enjoy your first day?
Yes, I made new friends and learned a lot.
Keep speaking English every day.
I will. Thank you for everything.